Hi, I got a different folding mattress here, but this one you could change it to a chair, and this is 4.5 inch thickness, and let's see here, and this one has a memory foam. Okay, it's a memory foam mattress folding chair. So let me show you. So I'm gonna take it out. Purchased this at Amazon. Alright. It's pretty heavy. Let me pause this real quick. Looks like it has instructions, and they got me this thing. I guess it's used to, to open up the plastic. Alright, so let's see here. Okay. Oops. Oh my gosh. Kind of surprised they got this for me. Alright, see that? So I'm gonna use this to rip up the plastic. Okay, so let's see how long this thing is. Okay, I am measuring it. Alright, that's 60. Okay. 60 and then plus 22, that's like 82 or 80, something like that, because you have to kind of move this a little bit closer. That would be like 80, so 60 plus 20 is 80. Okay, and the width would be like 38. All right, inches thickness. Let's see, it's still expanding, so right now it's showing 3.5 inches. So okay, so you're gonna have to wait a few more hours for it to expand more, and see if you could fold it. Okay, you could fold it into a chair, as you can see. Now keep in mind, you need to give it more time to expand. I just wanted to show you right now how it looks like when you fold it into a chair. Okay, and I believe it's supposed to be 4.5 thickness, but like I said, when I measured it, it was showing 3 or 3.5 inches. So you may need to give it time to expand more. Okay, so that's the Molblly Folding Mattress. It's 4.5 inch folding portable twin XL. I purchased this on the 26th, and I received it today. It's the 28th, so it took 2 days for them to deliver it, and it was nicely packaged. And as you can see, it's a memory foam mattress pad, sofa bed, and it's 54 inches by 75 by 4.5. Now that's kind of surprising to me because what I received, it seems like was 38 inches, and this one says it's 54. Alright, now I don't know if that is just the cover itself, so let me look further into this. Okay, hold on. When I scroll down, it says here 39 inches by 80 by 4.5. So when I measured it, that's just about it. The thought that was kind of confusing is when I scrolled down, it actually showed 54 by 75, 54 inches. So maybe they were referring to the cover itself. So, alright. Okay, and here is some more of the metrics. The one I ordered was a twin XL, and they said the side is 78 inches, but I believe it seems like it was 80 that I got, 80 inches. And the depth was 4.5 inches. So when I measured it right now, it seemed like it was 3 to 3.5, but like I said, it takes time. Maybe give it time to expand. And then the front, the width side was 38 inches. So I think that's just about what I got when I measured it.